Hello and welcome to this video where we will be comparing two different GPU brace supports to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos in the future. Without any further ado, let's get started. Both of these supports are made of all aluminum metal material, providing strong and long-lasting support. However, name of product 2 specifically mentions avoiding the aging of plastic materials and instead can be used as a long-term replacement, making it a better option if you're looking for durability. Name of product 1, on the other hand, has an anodized aluminum alloy CNC process, ensuring a strong build quality. Name of product 1 has a sliding adjustment design which can be compatible with various chassis configurations of traditional, MATX, ITX, and long power supply bays to meet various user hosts, while name of product 2 has a screw adjustment design. However, name of product 2 has a bottom hidden magnet design for easy installation and more stable standing in the chassis. Additionally, the small graphics card support frame of name of product 2 has a polished anode, sandblasted anode, and CNC high-speed edge washing high gloss process which maintains durability. Name of product 1 and name of product 2 both have the capability of being compatible with various chassis configurations, making them ideal for users who might have multiple workstations. Name of product 2 costs price of product 2 USD, whereas name of product 1 does not mention a price point. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, name of product 1 might be the way to go. And that's it for this comparison of the name of product 1 and name of product 2. Both supports have their pros and cons depending on what you're looking for, so we hope this video has helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.